Hey, what's up? I'm gonna be watching a video, there's one video I have not seen just yet. I'm supposed to have waited for my roommate Nick to come watch this with me, but, it's just too late. I'm gonna look at it anyway, so, I'm gonna, I guess film my reaction to it, I guess, so. By the way, this is actually One Man Runs Screwdriver. I suppose I should have said that. I do not encourage anyone to watch this video or any kind of disturbing viral videos, full stop. So, yeah. Enter the site. What the fuck?
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
Oh, hell no! No! Oh, God. Oh, fuck. No! Oh, fuck, no! No! Oh, God! Oh, my God, no, 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 no. No. Stop. Stop. No. I don't feel... Oh, God. Oh, God. Give me a minute. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Well... I don't like it. I have no words. I have no words at all. That was so gross. I feel sick. And I've seen lots of disgusting viral videos. Just, no. No. Just, no. Just, no. And my roommate wanted to watch that? Like... There are no words. Honestly, there are no words for that in any way, shape, or form. Ew. Ew. That is so gross. I am so scarred. That was so mean. It's so sad. Ew. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment below. What's the most disgusting horror video you've ever seen? Let me know down in the comments below. Other than that, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I do videos as often as I can. Yeah. If you haven't done so already, make sure you go to my podcast, which I just started. I'm about to record the second episode, so look forward to that. But if you haven't done so, the link will also be down in the description. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Vine, and all that other stuff. All those links will be down in the description below. But other than that, I will love you guys, and I will see you next time.